Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Zoho CRM, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you create a customer quote in your Zoho CRM? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to create a quote in your Zoho CRM anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes your customers require a written quote before you can continue on with the contract. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Zoho CRM. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well, but I've already logged into my Zoho CRM and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and create a customer quote, here on the top line, you're going to click on quotes. Once you do that, you're going to see a few options, but click on the blue button here called create quote. Okay, guys, so here is where you can go ahead and create a customer quote. So first off, you want to go ahead and add a subject. So let's say quote reference Saturday, November 1st, Anthony. Okay. And next you do need to give the account name. So this is the company that you're sending the quote to. So you can go ahead and choose from one of the companies that you have already in your Zoho CRM. If you haven't added that company yet, you can just click right here, new account. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to go ahead and add one of these sample accounts. Okay. And if you are already set together a deal for this that you're working on, you can go ahead and click here and then choose from the deal list. If it's a new deal that you're working on, you can go ahead and click right here and set up a new deal. For this video, I'm going to go ahead and choose this one. So the only thing that's really required is the subject and then the account name. All of this other stuff is optional. I usually try to add in as much as possible, just because that way when I'm referencing back on this particular quote, I'll have more data points to reference, and then just choose however much you want to go ahead and fill out. Okay. And then we're going to scroll down and then we're going to go ahead and start adding products to this quote. So if you have products already in your Zoho CRM, like I do, you can just click on this and then it's going to start listing off the products that you have, and you can just choose the product and it's going to be added directly in. So if you have other products, you can just go ahead and click on add row, and then here on the product, click on new product, and then you can go ahead and create a new product. So as you can see, all the products that you've added in, it's going to subtotal right here. You can add any sort of discount if it applies to your customer, any kind of taxes, and then it's going to show them the total. Down here, you can do the terms and conditions and description. I usually try to fill this out as much as possible, just because it's going to help avoid any kind of confusion or any kind of disputes between you and your customer. So for example, if you're going to start next week, but the job should be finished within 30 days, you're going to write that here. Also, they should provide the necessary materials or information for you to start working on your job, because sometimes, customers, they start to fall behind. They don't send you what you need within, 1 week or 2 weeks. So you want to lay that out here. So once you've filled this out and you're ready to go ahead and save this customer quote, click on this blue save button here on the top right. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see the customer quote right here that we just put together. So what you can do is you can go ahead and share it by clicking up here on these three little dots. And here you can go ahead and export to PDF, and that way you can put it into a file, or you can go ahead and send it in email directly by clicking on this button, or you can go ahead and print it out. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to set up a customer quote in your Zoho CRM, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.